This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the address. Now begin. Enter the full street number, street name, city, and two-letter state into a trusted lookup. Use USPs for official delivery data or Google Maps for quick mapping context. Each serves a purpose. Once entered, make sure spacing and abbreviations match standard postal form. This reduces mismatches. While you type, observe suggestions. Autocomplete often reveals the ZIP or ZIP plus 4. If you get suggestions, pause and select the best match. Now continue by running the formatted address through USP's ZIP lookup to obtain an official ZIP or ZIP plus 4. This is authoritative for mail. Next, open Google Maps and drop a pin on the exact building to see surrounding ZIP boundaries. This helps when borders split streets. Then cross-check with county property records or a mapping API, especially for rural or new construction areas, because those sources are updated differently. Doing multiple checks explains discrepancies and confirms you have the correct ZIP. Finish by recording the ZIP and ZIP plus 4, and note which source provided it. Documentation avoids future confusion. If the address is a PO box or a new development, prioritize the USP's result because delivery zones can differ from physical address maps. Once done, make sure to test sending a confirmation mail or use an address validation tool for batch needs. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check spelling, verify unit numbers, try an adjacent address, or call the local post office for the definitive answer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.